to the admin part. First thing is the controlling authority role. As I told earlier, controlling authority should start with the prefix with CA. So I am login with, as I given for a Vellore division, I am login with Vellore facility ID. So already I configured. So validate, first it has to validate password. Then after validate password, OTP will be triggered. So immediately you will get the OTP and to the registered as already configured by the RO. For example, DO means already RO is configured. Who is authority, controlling authority for Vellore division. Based on that mobile number, it will allow to get the OTP SMS. So particularly if any authority is getting changed, the requesting circle first ask better to change the controlling authority name. Otherwise, concerned division cannot able to proceed the verification process. So in the verification process, for example, if the candidate, for example, if I'm logging with CEPT, then they have to click the checkbox. If a controlling authority want to verify the candidate details who are under deputation to his office. Okay. So, for example, as I selected okay. If for example, if CEPT is login, then they have to select. If APS is login, then they have to select. Otherwise, if a candidate is working under the same division, then there is no need to check box. Then you have to select the year and select the examination. So this is a dashboard for the controlling authority. So option given, three tabs are there, pending for controlling authority recommendation. After controlling authority is verifying and recommended given, then the data will come to this tab. If controlling authority is returning the application to the candidate, then this data will come to resubmission with pending. This will help us, controlling authority, that how much application is pending with candidate for resubmission, so that they may controlling authority will have an option to view how many candidate as not resubmitted application, so that they may contact and they can able to complete enable the candidate to submit without any failure in applying the examination. Okay. So first, this is as a default, this tab will be shown to the controlling authority. If he is 100, it will be shown. So the page will be the controlling authority. The screen can be limited. For example, if 1,000 people are applying, so the page can be limited to 25 candidates, and they can able to see in one page. If there is multiple pages, they can be able to scroll. And also there is an option to sort. For example, even there is an option to filter also. Any fields can be filtered. For example, if you want to filter, for example, if I want to filter for particular employee, I can type the employee ID, automatically that will serve. So all customized user-friendly option has been given in the drop down, so that there is no need to move here and there and search. Even you can search by employee ID, sort by employee ID, filter by employee ID. Anything can be done with any of the fields. That much provisions we are given. So now I am proceeding with so what are the application pending? It will be shown. So now I am clicking the pending. This button I have to click, so that automatically the application submitted by the candidate will be shown to the screen. So now it is left to the controlling authority, even he is eligible or not eligible, then it is left to the controlling authority to recommend it based on the service record or something. You can decide. But if any data is missing, for example, if date of birth is here they entered as 3592, but date of birth is 74, then controlling authority has to click on the incorrect tab. He has to click, and he has to don't type. Even I am requesting controlling authority or somebody, don't type anything. Give proper remarks, so that candidate can able to provide the correct information, so that unnecessary flowing of application from here and then can be avoided. So I can type correct date of birth is 6/5/1972. So So controlling authority has to confirm if everything is correct, there is no need to controlling authority to check correct or not. But if it is incorrect, then controlling authority has to click on incorrect and he has to give the remarks with the proper things. What are the fields allowed? Then that fields will be, even photograph is not clear, that can also be returned or application. So he has to update the correct remarks. So if the controlling authority is selecting any incorrect remarks, automatically below recommendation will be disabled and the controlling authority will have only option to allow resubmission. For example, if a controlling authority is feeling every data is correct, if he is not selecting any incorrect field, then automatically the recommendation screen will be enabled, and if it is a 3 years, that recommendation year vacancy will be shown for 2 years. For each year, controlling authority can give his remarks, and if particularly for particular year any remarks can be given, he can give. That also can be. Apart from that, anything you want to inform candidate to give, he can give his own remarks. And one more major feature, we have made a lot of effort. This is a capturing of non-qualifying service. So that also we captured in the, there is no need for manually calculate or something. So if I'm clicking on add, we validated with the date of joining, so that, for example, if I'm entering 09/11/2013, it will throw error. So automatically it will throw from date should not be, all validation we build, so that the date of joining, the non-qualifying service should be greater than DISAN should be greater than the joining date. That validation we have already made. So, and also even to date, you cannot type 1999 also. If you are typing on invalid date, it will throw that to date should not be greater than the current date. That 13 automatically the service days will be automatically getting reduced. So, for example, if I am typing 2017, for example, some people is in DISAN for 2019. So automatically see the service will get automatically changed. So based on that, even they can give remarks and number of days will be shown. So here what I will type whether it's the reason for the non-qualifying service, whether EXOL or DISAN, anything they can type. If there is a multiple breakups, they can add any number of rows, then they can add number of rows, so that based on that, this service will be automatically taken into account. Then you can give the remarks. What are the controlling authority remarks that will be available? Then he can give the recommendation, and if he is not recommending, then remarks can be given. So any remarks can be given. Recommended successfully. So the only automatically the candidate will get a message that your recommendation, immediately they will get email and SMS immediately. So we told in the initial thing, when controlling authority is verifying, automatically the data will be moved to the next tab. Okay, likewise, automatically it will come to the screen, and when he is verified, and even controlling authority can able to see the things, what is happened and what is the status.